Hello, this is Shubham Kachawa and I am presenting a presentation on Tableau project electronic store sales detail dashboarding. Okay, presented to Board Infinity faculty Vishal Singh, presented by Shubham Kachawa. This is me. Let's start. Context: introduction of Tableau, introduction of project, purpose of project, type of chart and maps, screenshots, Tableau story mode, screenshots of Tableau story, conclusion. These are our context. Introduction: Tableau is the fastest growing data visualization and data analytics tool that aims to help people see and understand data. Basically, it is used for predicting data. Okay, introduction of project. Our project is based on electronic store of all over world, where we can use region, category, subcategory to make choices, to make graphs. We use sales format to calculate all sales all products in all region in world by using many graphs and maps, visualization, data understanding format. Purpose of project: our project is made in Tableau, filtering and sorting data, making charts of multiple data by using functions, making dynamic data. Type of charts and maps we are used in this project. Okay, dynamic line chart, quantity reference based, which is used in weekly quantity. Dynamic bar chart, dual axis scatter plot, dynamic discrete area chart, density heat map, dynamic heat map, dynamic symbol map, horizontal bar circle chart, sales map, dynamic table, dynamics. After that, we combine all the charts to calculate sales, profits, discounts, everything. For making that thing, we use dynamic dashboard, which are two. Second dashboard is this. In all these dashboard, we use all functions, filtering or calculative field parameters to making this. And Tableau storytelling mode is, in Tableau, a story is a sequential of visualization. It work together to convey information. You can create a story to tell a data narrative provided context. You can demonstrate how decision related to outcomes to simply make a complying case. Each individual sheet is in a story is called a story point. This is story. And last, it is conclusion. We made the dynamic data chart, or you can say it dynamic dashboard. We can find all data and sort them, finding errors, make the data visible by graphs and charts. Thank you.